Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can delete an old VPN configuration on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings screen, scroll down and then tap on General. Next, we scroll down and tap on VPN and Device Management. In here, tap on VPN. Then tap on the VPN that you would like to remove. So here I've got IT Jungle's VPN. So tap on the information button. Then go down to the bottom and then tap on Delete VPN. And then tap on Delete. And this will allow you the phone to remove an old VPN configuration and delete it from the device. And that's it. That is how you can delete an old VPN configuration on the iPhone 15 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.